It's like everything is on an axis and it just a go around so. Yeah. 360. Just a go around non-stop. The other day, see? When Kartel for come on road. Everybody. Also man who see no go against Kartel and a burn out Kartel. Everybody has a free world boss, free world boss. You know why? Them that's a free world boss. Because it's a popular slogan and it could have give them likes and views. That's why them that's a free world boss, you know. So now them get another thing now to give them likes and views, but it's to go against Vybz Kartel. Yes, what I say? Remember I say, you know, the people them now bring up everything we Kartel do. Gaza Kim them, Black Rhino them, Lisa Hype them. Him a bring up everything. The same Lisa Hype when she a ball what you know, them same dog shit there. I say, yo, Lisa Hype, go sit down, mad girl. And now them turn against Kartel, you know. Why? Because them realize say it's also popular to go against Vybz Kartel because of course people are going to come in here, comment, come burn you out. I agree with you. People are going to share your video. Rick Stam now are going to put up your video. And you know, see, I can maybe get a little viral out of it. And that's all it boils down to, you know, people who can't take them people up on the internet serious. Trust me. Them swing both ways. They don't stand for nothing, brethren. Them swing both ways. Yeah, man. So when you see them out there bite themselves, they want to go on. So not take it serious. By next 2 months, then go on somewhere else again. Yeah, man. Watch them come back round on the Kartel train. And just time out them take. Because massacre the hot youth now, Zine, and them realize, yeah, man, they can jump on the massacre train too. You understand me? I say, yeah, man, because some of them money are some old man, you know. Some old dinosaurs, them. Well, what happen to a little young youth, you know, we're current, you know, we are run the place now. Well, what happen to a train if it suck out of the life, out of them fans there, you know. They suck, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they don't stand for nothing, man. Yeah, man, the wind that blow them, just a go so. Yeah, man, them don't stand for nothing, brethren. So they come to a go and say, yeah, them stand for something. They don't stand for nothing. Nothing they don't stand for. What do them not analyze a man? What if a man ever bring up the things and what them a bring up now? Them that say, go, yes, your mother. What you bring up that for? Yes, your mother, free world boss. Yeah, man, that done. Yeah, man, yeah, some man now I said, them never said Kartel a king. Jesus Christ, no, sir, Lord God, them wicked boy. The wicked boy are bad, you know, they're terrible. Them terrible, but me tell you no, in my first video, me make about the argument here, the second video, me tell you no, say, a bad mind and jealousy, I kill them. Them jealous over girl, all your girl them jealous over you when you make money, them jealous over you when you're successful, them jealous, listen to them have built-in jealousy. A friend they go find out say Kartel I get the 1.5 and the 2 million a show with them, listen to me man, hatred just start, you know, manufacture. They manufacture the hatred. Yeah. I remember saying, you know, remember we don't want to beg no likes, you know, and no love from nobody, you know, brethren. Because we are going to talk the truth and shame the devil at all times. But ask yourself the question. See? If you, yeah, the fans them and the people, they must say, Uno, create Massacre and Vybz Kartel them. Uno are the father or the mother will create them. If you don't see the two of them are war, why would not ask a peace? Why would not say, am I pitney them? Me not get the big light. Ask yourself that question there. If I ever me attack say. If you have two pitney, and the two of them are war, why you take side with one of the pitney? It means say you want dirty parents. It means say you want dog shit. It means you never did like that pitney there from morning, you know. And that's why you come now and take side with the next pitney, you know. Just look, just pray, you know, man. Just pray, what I say. You see? No cause, pray. If you come now and take side with one of your pitney them, it means you never did like the next pitney from morning. You have up that pitney there in your heart, that pitney there do something, or that pitney there have something about that pitney there, where you know like. Because you have some parents that are jealous over them pitney, you know. Like a Vybz Kartel music parent, them jealous over him.